today's video, I want to talk to you about why your hair regrowth serums, vitamins, or treatments might not be working for you. I like to peruse forums on Reddit, Facebook, groups, things like that for people for fine hair to see what you guys are talking about and what I can help you with. One of the number one complaints that I see is people saying that these vitamins or this hair growth serum or the red light therapy they've tried don't work. So let's talk about why they don't work. The thing is, they do work for some people and they won't work for others. And understanding why is going to help you save a lot of time and money. So there's typically three main reasons that you won't see success. So we're going to stick to those in this video to keep it simple. There's definitely a bunch more reasons, but those are less likely to be the problem. So today we're going to stick with the three main reasons. Main reason number one is you're choosing the wrong hair regrowth product for you. So you really need to understand why you've lost hair, why your hair has thinned, before you choose a product to fix the problem. Not every product targets every reason. So if your problem is hormonal, you need to find a solution that solves hormonal hair loss. If your hair loss has been due to scalp issues, then you need to find solutions that solve the scalp issues. If your hair loss is due to deficiencies, then you need to find a way to fix those deficiencies. If you use something made for scalp health, but your problem is hormonal, obviously the product's not going to work. So it's not that the product itself doesn't work, it's that you're using it for the wrong thing. But there's a lot of people that think that any regrowth product is going to help them regrow their hair, and they end up being disappointed when it doesn't. So before you run to buy something that somebody's raving about, make sure you understand what you need and if the product they're talking about is going to solve that problem. Reason number two is having unrealistic expectations. There's a lot of falseness and misinformation on the internet, which can really set you up for unrealistic expectations of the results of these products. I promise you, nobody's hair is doubling in thickness in 8 weeks. No one's hair is growing 3 inches in 1 month. It's not possible. It doesn't happen. If they say it does, they're lying. When you try a product to regrow hair, and we're going to assume that you're using the right product, okay? You are using the right product, the product your hair needs. It is realistically going to probably be at least 6 to 8 weeks of consistent use before you notice any difference. Because at first, your hair follicle is going to have to be rewoken up. It's going to have to start getting into the phase where it can grow a new hair. Then it's going to start to grow that new hair. And that hair is going to grow at a rate of about 1/2 inch per 4 weeks. So you're probably not going to notice any growth at all for at least 6 to 8 weeks. And then once you start to notice that growth, your hair's not really going to feel any thicker. You're just going to have a bunch of really annoying baby hair. And even after 3 months, you're still just going to have really annoying baby hair. Now it's just going to be like this long. So if your hair is down to here, it could potentially be a year before this part of your hair further down starts to feel thicker. And if your hair's really long, it could be a few years before you really feel the exceptional change that that product can make, because all of that new hair has to grow down and contribute to the density of the ends of your hair. So you might feel more density at the top, but your hair will still feel thin down here until all that new hair grows down. So being impatient and not understanding the biology of growing back lost hair is going to be detrimental if you have unrealistic expectations. Your hair will not immediately feel thicker. It will take a lot of time and a lot of patience, but it will get there if you put in that time and that patience. In the meantime, you can use products that are style-wise thickening, that can plump up your hair strand, but none of those are actually giving you more hair. If we're talking about therapeutic hair regrowth, it's going to take a long time to really, truly notice a significant difference in your hair's density. Reason 3, and honestly, within the thin hair, fine hair community, I think this is often the most common reason people are feeling like products, treatments, etc. don't work for them, is that your thin hair is genetic. There is a big difference between being born with lower density hair and losing hair and it becoming low density. If you've lost your hair and it used to be thicker and now it's thinner, you can potentially have some hope of growing that hair back if you identify the problem and you solve it. However, if your hair's already been thin, if it's been thin your whole life and this is the hair you were born with, that means you have less hair follicles on your head capable of producing hairs than somebody with more. And you can sit underneath the red light helmet all day, you can use all the biotin, you can use all the scalp treatments, and none of it's going to do anything because nothing can give you more hair follicles that are capable of growing new hairs aside from transplanting hairs from one part of your body to your scalp. And that is honestly the number one reason people are frustrated with these products not working, because nothing's going to work, because the problem was never hair loss. It's just that's their natural hair. I hope that helps and gives you a little bit of clarity of why you may have struggled with some of these treatment options in the past, and maybe whether or not you might be able to actually find a product that will work for you, or a treatment solution that will work for you in the future. Or maybe you just have to learn to love your hair the way that it is, because some of us are born with low density hair and there's not much you can do about it except learn about styling and products that can help make it appear thicker, but don't actually increase the actual density of your hair. Thank you so much for watching today. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like, subscribe, all that stuff as usual. I will see you in the next video. Bye.